Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slow down the speed of your audiobook when you're listening to it on the Audible Mac app. And basically when you want to start listening, go over to Library and then select your audiobook and it will show you this little section at the bottom of the app. Press this button right here and that's going to launch the listening window. And from there you can press play, go back and forth in speed. But on the bottom left there it says 0.7x speed. Press in there and this is where you can actually toggle how fast or slow you want to actually make the audiobook voice when you're listening to it. So it might start out at 0.7, but you can go all the way down and slow it right down to 0.5x speed, or you can speed it right the way up to 3.5x speed maximum. And also as well, you've got basically a minus symbol on the left side and then a plus symbol on the right side. The minus symbol is going to decrease the speed by increments of 0.05, and then the plus symbol is going to increase by increments of 0.05. From there, you can slow it all the way down or speed it all the way back up with these buttons on the bottom row. 0.7 right here, 1, 2, 1.2, 1.5, all the way up to 2. And then from there, I would say that 0.5x speed is far too slow. It would just get annoying for me. 3.5x speed is way too fast for me to retain information over a long period of time. It might be okay for 5 minutes or so, but not over hours and hours. For me personally, I like somewhere in between 1.5 and 2x speed. I feel that's the sweet spot for me. You're getting through the audiobook a lot faster, but you're still retaining a lot of the information. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.